Okay, I think I remember now. I know why I came here. Project Orion. Yes, yes, Orion. Yes, I remember. Wait. I was not alone. I was more of us.